Welcome to our YouTube channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. I just wanted to give you some overview. Here are the playlists that we are keep on uploading. This is our channel. You can subscribe our channel for all the topics. Okay, and you can go ahead and watch the video. Thank you.
When I say create, can I able to create the incident via scripting? Can I able to create the incident via scripting? Is that possible? And if it is possible, okay, what kind of script I can use it? And when I say type of scripting, after type of scripting, what topic I can use it? Immediately I wanted to create one incident, for example, using only the script. Then what kind of script I could utilize more? See, your database is there. There are some existing records. I need to add one more record. Okay, when you say added one more record, whether it is create or update or delete, what it is? What kind of operation it is inside the database?
Create.
It is creating. We are creating means how can I able to create? When you say create, it will be inserting the data to the system, to the table, correct? And to connect to the database, okay, when you wanted to do this operation, so absolutely what you will be using? Server-side scripting. Inside the server-side scripting, what API you will be using to connect to the database? What API?
Glide record.
Glide record.
Absolutely, glide record, correct? And next, what operation? Create operation, okay? And immediately if I ask you to do it, where do you write your script inside it? Inside our ServiceNow platform?
Background script.
Background. Script background. So you will see system definition, what of the core parameters of the system definition only. Take it script background. So now you tell me, how do I connect to the table now? Let's delete this. Let it be off. How do you connect it? New. Next, glide record. Select it and see the case sensitive. If you keep small, usually it will not take it. Okay, first one should be capital, and next whatever the word it gets started, it will be or capital or glide record. And next, what should I mention? No.
Table
what
name.
should I mention? Table name. So where you want it to be created incident on the incident table, right? So now what is the next step to get all the access of incident and glide record? So I'm adding something. Can I able to create the incident? Yes, you are able to create it. Next question. Can you create, okay, by adding some short description and description, okay, and then yeah, for now let's take these two. Let's go to incident. Take it. So this is the one. So I wanted to be add channel email, okay, and first name and short description and description and caller, okay, and email, whatever mandatory. Let's take mandatory things. Mandatory, how many values, how many fields are the mandatory things? Caller, correct? Caller, and next email, short description. So for now, let's take three. Okay, let's take three. Our requirement is to take short description and then email and caller. By adding these field values, I will be creating the incident. Good. Now to get control of these three fields and inside the methods of glide record, what should I do? I should have to create a variable. Variable can be named with anything, correct? IC is equals to. Okay. Now IC should be having everything. Okay. Now I just connect to the table. I need to get the slot. I need to initialize it. I had connected to the table. Okay. Now what I should do? I should get the access, means I need to initialize the record inside here. I need to take initialization. Okay. Something like this. So I'm connected to the database. I need some slot here. Okay. I need to some slot. So to get it inside the table, before you do any new record, remember, before you are creating any new record, then absolutely you should have to use one method. One method is initialization. Initialize. We are initializing the record to the incident table. Okay. We are initializing the record to the incident table. Now, what is our next step? We had initialized it. Now I need to enter email, caller, short description. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So how can I add it?
Add code.
Query is just query. If it is existing, then you should have to use the query. Am I reading anything? Am I reading anything from the table? Am I filtering anything from the table? No, right? I am now
No.
creating it. Yesterday we are reading it. We are filtering something. Then I was using the add query. Now I am creating it. So to create, you don't need to, what is the purpose of add query? Add query, maybe it will go inside and it will just filter out and give you the result. But now my intention is add it at the end of the row. Okay. If it is 20 records are there, at 21 place, the new record will be inserted. Am I performing any filterization here?
No, new record
No.
here.
New record. So to initialize it, I got one place. To get my place, I had initialized it to the database. Now, after initializing it, okay, after initializing it, I need to pass some values. The values are this. Okay, short description. And next, email and caller. Okay, IC dot. Do you see anything? Set something as like we had seen in our,
Yeah,
what do you
can
call?
we use set value method here also?
Do you use? Do you see anything?
Mm.
Seema, I am on the set. Is started. Do you see any set value, something like that? Mo?
No. Yes, there is set value.
Set value.
Do you see? Set value is equals to. But where are you setting? What are you setting up? What is the significance of set value? Did you go through the documentation?
Description and
See, go inside, show documentation. Let's delete this. Let's search with set value. Set, is it taken? Search. Set value. So set value is there. Set value something is there, but where the exactly entire statement of set value. What are you getting? Come down. First, some request. Anyone didn't go through the documentation, the link which I shared? No, right? Let's go on, but it takes time maybe. Okay. Do you see, ma? This from starting, just try to read it. Okay. It will be a bit advanced. Okay. See. Do you see? So they are flying to one table, means they are connecting to one table. Table is this. Correct? Huh? Table is what? sys_user. Next, they are creating the record. Okay, they had used something called new record. And next, they are setting up the value. But what is the example of it? This example checks if the new record has been inserted into the sys table. Let's do it. Let's go to another one. Is new record, it is related. Okay, go. Yeah. So glide record set value. Okay, it sets the specified field or an attribute in a dynamic store something they are giving the, you look at the example, come down. Okay, so they are going to some table and they are setting up some values. What is state and what is this?
State is
Column name and value.
value.
Okay, what is top task?
Variable.
Variable.
Variable, not, yeah, this variable, this one. Next, what is this?
Is the
Value.
of state.
Back end value of the choices.
Okay, now can we able to frame it by using set value in our example?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there. Okay, IC dot set value. Inside, how many parameters should be there?
2 param.
Column name and
Column name and the value that you are getting passed. So now, first time I am taking the short description. How do you take the short description? What is the backend value of short description? This one. Take it. Okay. Now, what value you wanted to be passed? This is my first script, something like that, to create an incident. Okay, now what should I next point is what? IC dot same way set value. Okay, but here now what field you have to use in our requirement? Email and caller. First email, let's take email. What is the backend value of email? U_email, right? U_email. So in between every parameter, there should be comma. Remember. Now email, can we enter anything? Either at the rate gmail.com. Now IC dot caller. Okay, let's keep it in same format. Set value. Okay. Now how many parameters? Same, comma this. Now you tell me what is the backend value of caller?
Caller underscore ID.
Caller underscore ID. Take it. Now what should I pass here?
This ID of the
Sys ID of any
caller.
caller. Let's take it for now Christian and get the sys ID. This is the sys ID. Now I set the parameters. So here I am. Okay, I set the parameters. So I had selected Christian and some text I had entered for the short description, and for email I had given something, for example. Okay, now what is my job? If you do it manually, you will click on save it, na? Save it or submit it. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then in our script, okay, what is the method I can utilize it to create it? This is the best part. You can directly use IC dot insert. I'm inserting the data to the system. So I'm accessing to the system and initializing the record, assigning the values and clicking on the button. Save or submit. Fine. Now you can also write some print gs dot print. Okay. gs dot print. You can write some customization print. So in background script to check here. Okay. Incident is created. Simple I had written. Is this understandable, the code? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's run it. Okay, just to check it, how many records are there? Incident. So there are 146 records. So now if I run this script now, it should become 147 something. Click on it. So right side, you will see something called, okay, notification. Okay, your print is created, incident is created. And when you say insert one operation, do you see? Insert incident is one. Now if you go to your list, refresh it. 147. Is that created? See,
Yes.
open it. Open it. Is that created one? It has taken this and this and next this. Is that taken?
Yeah.
Now your next step, just to be deeper. I wanted to create one more incident by keeping channel is email. Channel is email. Then and priority should be 2. Okay. Or impact should be 2 and then impact should be 2 and next urgent should be 2. So I wanted to be pass channel as a email, impact should be 2 and urgent should be 2. And next I wanted to be select category software, subcategory email. These are all my requirement. Okay. Along with this, I want it to be create one more record. One more record should be consisting. Channel is email. Email. Okay. Next, impact should be to medium. Okay. Next, urgent should be to medium. Software should be software. And subcategory should be email. That is the requirement. Next. How can I do it?
I can take the backend values of this and
Go there. Okay. Go there. Same. Okay. Fine. So instead of set value, can I take others to create it? Instead of set value, can I assign it with some others, like by using some others, method.
mother, yeah.
Okay. Let's take it. IC dot. So first step is what? Channel for this contact type. Just type IC dot contact type. Do you see? Contact type. Contact type is equals to what value you want it to be keep it. Tell me now. What value? Email.
Email.
So what is the backend value? I'm not
Small email.
small email. Right? Just type email. That's it. Just try this email. Okay. Next what?
Priority.
Priority. What is the backend value of priority? IC dot, not priority, emergency. This part, no? This impact and urgency.
Impact.
As 2. Backend value size 2. Right? Go there. IC dot urgency is equals to 2. Next, IC dot, what it is? Impact. Okay. Impact is 2. Next, IC dot category. Which one is good one to assign the values?
Set value.
This or this? IC dot subcategory is equals to something. Something will take it. Email. But whether it takes or not, we need to check it out. Okay. We are learner now. Fine. Did I give any codes, ma?
No.
I haven't given any codes, na? Fine. Just, can I run it?
Yes.
Let's run it. So it's showing us some errors. See what it is. Clearly read it. What it is giving you. Read it, this part, this one. Script execution error. Script is identifier. Null script, error description, email is not defined. Email is not defined. Okay, why only email it is not defining?
The backend value of email is u_email.
No.
We need to give backend value.
Where?
No, that is for email field.
This is the email field. This is what?
Okay.
So what it is not understanding? You read it. See email. Where do you see this?
Small email is not.
See, 8th.
Contact type.
Oh, I don't understand.
Correct? It is not defined something it is showing. But is it worrying about to software, email, others? In the 8th line, first it is taking about this. then it is giving you some error. What are you expecting here? Tell me, ma'am.
Is accepting the value as well here?
This is the value,
Like
na?
providing the email address?
This is the value, na?
In the quotations like stating that it is a string.
Yes. Read it properly. Take your time. Is that correct? Someone said. Do you agree? Tell me, ma'am. Are you practicing side by side? How many of you got open your instance? How many of you? Read it. My errors also you should have aware of it. Because most of the people directly write it. Okay, always do remember, if it is a string or backend value, it can be anything. Okay, try to keep quotes and use it. 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 Now try to run it. Is it running? Is this running? On the incident, one record is created. Now go to your incident list and check it out. Whether it takes or not, you should have to check it. Na? Leave it. Open it. Is that taken one? Software category and subcategory email. Channel is email. So what syntaxes you should have to use it in our scripting. So this way looks fine for you to assign some values to the fields, or this way. How it is? Which one it is?
The bottom one.
Second one.
This one you don't need to go to some other places and syntax. They do many syntaxes. But if you come here, just to type the backend values, you must aware of it. Just equals to and values, what values you wanted to be passed out. Okay.
So for all the tables, the backend values will be already created there.
For all the tables.
If you now you are using instant table, if you want to use like user table or something like that, just use the table. The backend values of the tables are also defined.
Depends.
Okay.
So in every table, backend values will be there. You will be using only backend values in your scripting.
Okay.
Sometimes for reference fields, you can be utilize the front end values that I can cover. There is one method. Okay, I'm writing something. You just see. What are you seeing here? Incident is created. The number is 447.
Yeah.
Go and check it out. 77 is the created incident just before.
Yeah.
So what method I had used it? In the printing,
instant
variable
number
name and then number. Yeah. Number is this
number
backend value. So whenever I am creating it via scripting, if I if I had the curiosity to get know the number what it is created, then simply in the print, I can write some text and then concatenation I can utilize it. Later, variable name and its backend value of number. Then simply it gives you directly. Is it giving you how many times you would be using it? Those many times it gives you. So you will get to know here this incident is created. You can go and check it out here. This incident will be there, should be there. Not even there. It should be there.